Man is fond of counting his troubles, but he does not count his joys. If he counted them of as he ought to, he would not lose that every lot has enough happiness provided for it. Meaning, one of the fundamental problems with human beings as well as with man is that we do not necessarily count our joys, happiness, blessings, miracles, virtues in our lives that we already have been given by the universe, by God, by mysterious invisible force that always work and function in our environments and surroundings all the time in one way or another, and also what we have developed, grown, cultivated by ourselves, within ourselves, in our lives, in our actions, successes, progresses, developments, learning, etc. Through basically decades of hard work, dedication, discipline, desire, ambition, consistency, pain, torment, tragedy. We do not count all that we have, both natural and developed, but we only like to count what we do not have, what is inaccessible, unreachable, and unattainable, anyways, because they have already betrayed us, because those things are too costly to be attained by ourselves. But we should not spoil the present moment and also destroy what we have by desiring what we have not, because only when we're able to live in the present without worrying about the future as well as the things we do not and cannot and will not control, things that are removed, isolated from our control, power, ambition, and also we're not dependent upon the past or the future, are we finally going to be able to live in the present, the now, and embrace this time and moment for what it is with absolute happiness, character, consistency, virtue, authenticity, fidelity, etc. And that is what we should. We cannot afford to betray the present. We should be absolutely fidel to the present. We should treat the present and live in the present with character, consistency, happiness, beloved, relationships, and all else that we have with fidelity, honesty, loyalty all the time. Because when we betray the present, then we have betrayed the past as well as corrupted and cheated and rejected the future possibilities, achievements, learnings, growth, prospects also. So betraying the present means, or ruining what we have also means and implies ruining whatever we have had through and learned, and what we have been taught by the past. All is betrayed through our betrayal in the present. So obviously, whatever we have now was one of the things we had only anticipated and wished for, and we should be absolutely grateful and humble and grounded for that and for all that we have now, and whatever it is that we have been able to make possible with our hard work, and also what we have been given by the universe, because it's everything. So we should exercise absolute humility, groundedness, thankfulness, and gratefulness towards everything and everyone without complaint.